Disconnect the ground strap from the battery terminal, red arrow, and place the cable, yellow arrow, where it cannot accidentally come in contact with the battery while you are working. For more information, please see our article on battery replacement by following the link at the end of this video. Bulb replacement. You will need to remove the air filter box, red arrow, on the right side of the car to service the right headlight. Please see our article on air filter replacement for additional assistance by again following the link at the end of this video. With the airbox panel removed, you will have access to the rear of the headlight unit. Note, both units are the same, only reverse, and you do not need to remove anything for access to the left side unit. Lift the two metal clips, red arrows, up from the rear panel. Slide the panel back and lift it up and out from the unit, red arrow. With the panel removed, you can change both the headlight, red arrow, and the fog light, yellow arrow, bulbs. Gently separate the wiring connection, red arrow, from the bulb, yellow arrow, by pulling it and wiggling it off. Squeeze in and remove the two wire clips, red arrow, that hold the bulb in place. Remove the bulb from the bulb holder, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Never touch the glass part of the bulb with your bare hand. Oils on your hands or gloves will cause hot spots in the bulb and can dramatically diminish the life of the bulb. The fog light is removed in the same fashion as described in the previous bulb removal. There is a level attached to the main headlight, red arrow, that can be used for leveling. Note, make sure the car is on level ground before you start. There are 3 adjusting screws for the headlight unit. Headlight adjustment left and right, red arrow. Headlight up and down, yellow arrow. And fog light adjustment, green arrow. Headlight removal. To remove the headlight unit, you will first need to remove the turn indicator light. Begin by reaching in and you will feel a tab. Pull this tab towards the headlights, red arrow, and gently push forward. Push the unit out of the car and separate the wiring connection, green arrow. The red arrow indicates the tab you need to pull towards the center of the vehicle. You can change the bulb on the turn signal unit by unscrewing the connection from the housing and then replacing the bulb with a simple push-turn method. Next, remove the lower trim piece, red arrow, held in place by 2 8mm screws, yellow arrows. Remove the trim piece, taking care not to damage the trim or the chrome, red arrow. Remove the 2 8mm bolts holding the headlight unit to the fender, red arrows. There is a single 8mm screw that holds the inside of the headlight unit, red arrow. There is not much room to work between the screw and the condenser, so use care. Turn the stop 90 degrees counterclockwise to remove, red arrow. Slide the headlight unit forward as indicated by the red arrow. Reach in behind and disconnect the drain tube, red arrow. You can now slide the unit out and disconnect the wiring harness as indicated by the red arrow. Make sure to clean out the area around the unit of any dirt and debris and check that the drain holes are clear, red arrow. If you are changing the lens, you will need to very carefully pry the 4 clips, 2 red arrows shown, up and slide the lens and gasket away from the unit. These plastic clips get very fragile over the years and have a tendency to break, so take your time and work slowly. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.